Hello! Welcome back to JIC Hints and Tips. I'm Teacher Julie. For today, I'm gonna teach you IELTS writing. IELTS writing involves two classifications. One is general writing and the other is academic writing. Both consist of two parts, commonly called Task 1 and Task 2. Task 1 in general writing involves writing of letters of different kinds. And as for academic writing, it is a description of graphs, diagrams, maps, and charts. As for Task 2, it is about essay writing. Now, how are you going to deal with IELTS writing? The first thing to do is determine the concept of the topic so that you can handle the task easier. The next thing is that you're going to plan how you are going to elaborate the topic to have a plausible organization of your ideas. Then the last thing to do is check whether you have met the requirements of the task. That's all for today and see you next time. Again, my name is Teacher Julie. Bye!